Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add an admin to your TikTok account. TikTok does not have a direct feature for adding admins, but there is a workaround to allow someone else to manage your account. I will explain the steps in detail, so follow along carefully. First, to allow someone else to manage your TikTok account, you need to share your TikTok username and password with them. This step is essential because TikTok does not provide a built-in option for assigning admin roles. Make sure the person you share this information with is someone you trust completely. Next, open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the three lines or menu icon located at the top of your screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. In this section, scroll down until you find the Security and Permissions option and tap on it. Now, you will need to enable two-step verification to enhance security. Tap on the option to turn on two-step verification. You will be prompted to choose two methods for verification. You can select methods like email, phone number, or an authenticator app. For this tutorial, I will select email, but you can choose the options that work best for you. After selecting your methods, tap the Turn On button at the bottom of the screen. If you are using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator, you will need to register your TikTok account there. Open your Authenticator app, scan the QR code provided by TikTok, and complete the setup. Once you've enabled two-step verification, TikTok will prompt you to add a trusted device. Adding a trusted device is crucial because it allows the admin you've chosen to log in and manage the account. Tap on Add Trusted Device. You will then need to log into your TikTok account on the admin's device to register it as a trusted device. After adding the device, go back to the Manage Trusted Devices section. Here, you can view all trusted devices linked to your TikTok account. Verify that the admin's device has been added successfully. With this setup, anytime the admin logs into your account, you will receive a notification for added security. That's how you can allow someone to manage your TikTok account by adding them as an admin through this workaround. Always ensure your account information is shared securely and that the person managing your account is reliable. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.